Single-use gloves help keep food safe by creating a barrier between your hands and the food you are preparing. They should be worn when you are handling any ready-to-eat food. Single-use gloves do not have to be worn if you are handling raw agricultural products, washing whole produce, or if you are handling ready-to-eat ingredients that will be cooked to the correct internal temperature. For example, if you are chopping peppers for a soup or casserole, you do not need to wear gloves. If, however, those peppers will be ingredients in a salad, then you do need to wear gloves. When buying gloves, consider the following. Purchase only gloves approved for food service. Buy single-use gloves. Do not wash or reuse gloves. Purchase the appropriate glove for the task. For example, longer gloves for mixing, or even consider colored gloves as a way to prevent cross-contamination. Provide different sizes of gloves. When putting on gloves, it is important to do so correctly, so as not to potentially contaminate the food you will be handling. Here are the guidelines. Wash your hands before putting on your gloves when starting a new task. Be sure to choose the correct size and hold the gloves by the edge to avoid touching the glove as much as possible. Once on, check for rips or tears. Do not blow in your gloves or roll them to put them on. Remember, your gloves can become contaminated. If that happens, then the ready-to-eat food you are handling will become contaminated as well. You will need to change your gloves as soon as they become dirty or torn, before beginning a new task, after an interruption, such as taking a phone call or being called away to do another job, after handling raw meat, seafood, or poultry, and before handling ready-to-eat food. If you are doing the same task continuously for 4 hours. Remember, the intent of wearing gloves is to keep food safe. So be sure to use gloves correctly so that food does not become contaminated.